Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Kayla, and in this video, I'm going to be drinking 20 hyperspeed potions to see the effect. I'm here with my friend Morgan and her brother Jake. So we're on our way to the Sky Castle so we can get our 20 hyperspeed potions. Okay, come on, you guys. We're going to get on our pets, and we're going to the castle. Okay. Let's go up to the castle. Just follow me. Well, Jake got there before we did. Okay, you guys, we're now at the castle. Let's get our hyperspeed potions. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, you guys, so now that we have our 20 hyperspeed potions, we're gonna go ahead and drink it. I don't know what will happen because the highest amount of hyperspeed potions I've ever drank was just 10, so let's just try this. So we have one hyperspeed potion. Let's bring them out. Let's drink it. I'm super excited. Okay, so we've drank one. Let's drink two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, the last drink. 20. Okay. I'm so scared to start running. But let's do this. Oh my gosh. I am so fast. Oh my god, I'm super fast. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. Guys, make sure to like for part 2. We're going to be drinking 30 hyperspeed potions. It's going to be insane. I'm so fast. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go around people. Okay, I just went to go ask somebody, do you know how I'm so fast? Yeah? It's very expensive. It's like $4,000. to drink 100 hyperspeed potions. It's 4,000 because each hyperspeed potion costs $40. So if we get 100, that's gonna be 4,000. I am so fast. Oh, Morgan, let's see how we swim. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is insane. Imagine drinking 30 or 100. Guys, remember, like for part 2. I am so fast. This is insane. I'm gonna try to see if my dragon will keep up. Okay. You guys do what Morgan said and subscribe to me on YouTube. So, because when I get 200 subscribers, I'm thinking of doing something super epic in Adopt Me. I don't know what it's going to be, you guys, but if we reach 200, then we're gonna do it. Where's my dragon? I lost my dragon. I guess it couldn't keep up. Cool. You guys, I don't really like this. Like, I'm going so fast. I mean, I can't even control myself. I just can't wait until we drink 100, you guys. If this video gets to 20 likes, I will be drinking 30 hyperspeed potions. This is insane. Okay, my dragon needs a bath, so. And I can just quickly run anywhere. I mean, I can just quickly run to my house. Wait, where's my house? Wow, you guys. I don't think this is a really good feeling because I'm running so fast. I'm going so fast that I can't even control myself. A what? No. I'm so fast, you guys. If I was this fast every time I got onto the game, I would like make so much money. I mean, because I would get to places so fast and I would finish them so fast, so it would be amazing. I recommend drinking 20 hyperspeed potions. They're good. It's good. The highest amount I've ever drinking is 10, and I was super fast. I mean, in my apartment building, I was running so fast. Like, I would try to go into the pet room, and then I would so this is the door to the pet room, and I would just zoom right past it, and then I have to turn around, zoom right past it, because I would go so fast. I'm at the pool party, but I'm leaving right now. Oh, wait. Where'd you go? I want to go buy more hyperspeed potions, you guys, because I have a lot of money. But I don't want to, like, this video is 20 hyperspeeds. And if I go buy more than 20 hyperspeeds, like, it won't really make sense. And I want to, like, have, like, a goal of likes to reach before I can drink more hyperspeed potions. If you guys did not notice, I do have one extra hyperspeed potion. I really want to drink it, but you guys, if I drink it, this video is going to be ruined because I said I was going to be drinking 20, and if I drink 21, you know, so. You guys, this is insane. I've never gone this fast in this whole time. You guys, you guys want to do a race? Okay. Okay, I'll teleport to you. Okay, so the first one, where should we go? That's so quick though. The first one, all around like the neighborhood or all around the town. So what you have to do is you have to go straight and then take a left, okay? Take a left and then circle all the way around. I know that's really confusing. Okay, you can take shortcuts. Start from here, go this way, and then go to the school. But you can't like turn around and go to the school. Yeah. Here, I'm gonna go to my house, and then you're gonna teleport to me, and then we're gonna start from my house to the school, okay? Okay, I'm at my house. Okay, so get ready, set, go. Hopefully you win. Come on, come on, come on. I won. I jumped through, I ran through the water, like I swam. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. And go check out my friend's YouTube channel. It's Gotcha Cookie. She makes gotcha videos if you're interested in that. I'll leave her channel link in the description. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!